The standard arc T measures 3 radians and terminates on the unit circle. 3 of the statements are true, 1 is false. Identify the false statement. Alright, so I'm going to paste in a little unit circle. Alright, so we have 3 radians. So where does that put us on the circle? Well, let's think about, what is 1 radian? Well, it's about 57 degrees. 3 radians, if you put this in your calculator, it's about 172 degrees. So if we start here and move this way, if we got here, this would be a 90-degree angle. The full angle here that's a line, so that's 180 degrees. This is just less than that. So let's say right there. So we draw a line, and this is about 172 degrees, or this arc right here is 3 radians. Or you could also say this is 172 degrees. Those are equals. So we have our point on the unit circle. We can draw our line down. This is going to be our cosine of 3 radians. And this line right here is our sine of 3 radians. So this point is at the point, this point is at the point cosine 3, sine 3. And it's right there. Now let's go through our answers. Sine 3 is going to be positive since we're above the x-axis. And in the second quadrant, sines are positive. However, in the second quadrant, cosines are negative since we're to the left of the y-axis here. A positive number times a negative number gives us a negative number, which is less than 0, so this is true. We can eliminate A. Now, the absolute value of sine 3, so this length here, is smaller than this length here. Cosine 3 is negative. However, in absolute values, cosine 3 is going to be greater than sine 3 since this line is much longer. So this is the answer to our problem. This should be like that. This line is much shorter than this line. Therefore, this is false. Let's just go over our last two real fast. Sine 3 is positive. Cosine 3 is negative. Positive is greater than a negative number. This is true. And this is our identity that we've learned earlier, which is that sine squared of a number 3, say, plus cosine squared of 3 is going to equal 1. This is true. Our answer here is B. And there we go.